dear students, how are you? I hope you are feeling well yourself, and let's begin our lesson. Okay, girls and boys, what do you see in the picture? Well, perfect, you are right. It is occupations, yes. That's all our lesson theme in the world of work. In today's lesson, we will learn new vocabulary, then read the text and do tasks. Okay, let's continue our lesson with new vocabulary. First of all, I will read, then you will repeat after me, okay? The first word is a mascot, яғни тұмар. The next word is a accountant, яғни есепші. The next word cashier, кассир. Let's continue. Entertain, көңіл көтеру. Water slide, су сырғанағы. Okay, let's do tasks. The first task is match the sentence with a picture. Okay, children, let's check our tasks. I look after sick people. Perfect! It is a doctor. You are right. The next, I play and pose for picture with kites. You are right. Well, it is showerman, yes? I take people's money and give them their change. Oh, you are right. Well, it is a cashier. I protect people. Yes, you are right. It is police officer. I make bread and cakes. Yes, perfect. It is baker. You are right. I check financial records. Yes, you are right. It is an account. The next, I grow flowers and trees. Yes, you are right. Perfect word. It is gardener. I take food to people. You are right. It is pizza delivery boy. Well, great job, children. Okay, girls and boys, let's read the definition of the words. 9 to 5 is a normal and recurring job. Яғни 9 бен 5 аралығы бұл күнделікті жұмыс уақыты. Shift is a work that takes place in a school there outside the traditional 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. day. Бұл бізде ауысыммен жұмыс істейтін уақыт. Long hours are longer than usual period of the time. Яғни бұл бізде жұмысымыздан көп уақыт жұмыс істеу. The next, part-time, work few hours per week. Яғни жартылай жұмыс күні. Full-time, to work 32 to 40 hours per week. Яғни толық жұмыс күні. Okay, girls and boys, let's answer the question. Who works 9 to 5? Great job! Account work 9 to 5. The next question. Who works part-time? Perfect! Theme park mascot work part-time. The next. Who works full-time? Doctor works full-time. Okay. Okay, girls and boys, look at the picture and the heading. What is each person's jobs? These people love their jobs because their work is fun and different. Every morning they look forward to an exciting new day. What they do? Let's find
Girls
out.
and boys, let's read about Steven. Steven, basketball mascot. Do you like basketball? Then you can be a basketball mascot like me. I'm a mascot for the Temple University team. I entertain the fun as match and other events. I wear a red owl costume and do silly things. I slide across the court, throw sweets to the fans and celebrate when my team scores. I have to be creative to think of different ideas to entertain the fans. And I have to do all this in silence. I can't speak a word. I love the work and it is well paid, but it is tiring. Luckily, I only work part-time. Girls and boys, let's read about Mark. Water slide tester. I go down fast water slides all around the world, but not when I'm on holiday. It is my job. I visit water parks in places like Turkey, Egypt, and Jamaica. I check that the slides are safe and exciting with lots of splashing water. I love my job. It is interesting, well paid, and have lots of fun. But it's not always easy. I have to be careful, hardworking, and brave. I go down slides in every kind of weather when the water is freezing.
Okay, children, let's answer the question. Where does Steven work as a mascot? Perfect. He works for the Temple University team. What does he do? Perfect. He entertains the fans at the match. What does he do? Excellent. He wears a red owl costume. Girls and boys, let's mark the sentence true or false. Mark is a water slide tester. Is it true sentence or false sentence? Yes, perfect. It is true sentence. Mark doesn't like his job. Is it true or false? You are right. Perfect. False. He loves his job. Mark's job is a well. Yes, perfect. True sentence. Mark's job is a well. Girls and boys, let's complete the sentence with these words: team, phrasing, match, and well paid. Almat goes to football every weekend. Which basketball do you like the best? Myra has a job. Tom is a gardener and he works outside even when Okay, children, let's check our task. Almat goes to football match every weekend. Which Which basketball do you like the best? Myra has well-paid job. Tom is a gardener and he works outside even when it's freezing. Children, let's unscribble the words. Great job, you are right. The first is a doctor. Great job. The second word is a gardener. Great job. The next word is a baker. Okay, children, in our lesson today we have learned new vocabulary. Read the text, done the tasks.
Our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention.